Good afternoon. Hi, I'm Sheila May Becca, 30 years old Roman Catholic. I live in Muntinlupa. I have 4 kids, 15, 13, 10, and 2 years old. I graduate in high school, Tanyo Marikina City. I have experience in Saudi Arabia 4 years and 5 months. My main duty, taking care of baby, taking care of kids, laundry, cleaning house, and ironing. The second job, in Hong Kong, 7 months. There, my main duty, taking care baby and taking care kids. My main duty is household laundry and cleaning and cooking. Sometimes I'm making dessert for my employer. To be my soon employer, I really excited to work in your house and your family, and I promise I'm taking your kids, taking your family, and I loving nanny, more patience, and I love cooking. I'm making dessert for you. See you soon. Excited to see you soon. Thank you.